In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Disney gift card balance. Let's start by opening your internet browser. This can be any browser that you feel comfortable using, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, type in the search bar Disney Gift Card Balance Checker. This search will help you locate the official Disney page you need. Now, after hitting enter, you'll see a list of search results. Here, it's important to find and click on the correct link. You want to ensure that you're on the official Disney website. This is crucial because it protects you from potential scams or incorrect information. Look for a link that includes the official Disney branding and domain name. This will usually be one of the top results. With the correct page open, you'll see an option labeled Check Balance. Go ahead and click on this option. This button will take you to the section of the site specifically designed for checking your gift card balance. Here, you'll be prompted to add your gift card details. Specifically, you'll need to enter your account number and EAN. The account number and EAN are typically found on the back of your Disney gift card. Ensure you enter these numbers carefully to avoid any errors. This step is important because it verifies the card you want to check and ensures accuracy in the balance displayed. Once you've double-checked your numbers, it's time to click on the Check Balance button again. This final click will process your request. After a moment, you should see your gift card balance displayed on the screen. This confirmation reassures you that the balance has been accurately retrieved. At this point, you can note down your balance or take a screenshot for your records. Keeping track of your balance is helpful, especially if you plan to use your card soon. It allows you to manage your spending and enjoy your Disney experience without surprises. Remember, checking your gift card balance regularly is a good habit. It keeps you informed and prepared, whether you're planning a trip to the parks or making online purchases. This little step saves you time and potential hassle down the line. Finally, after you've finished checking your balance, you can close the browser or explore more options on the Disney website. Perhaps you want to see the latest offers or plan your next Disney vacation. The Disney website is full of exciting information and resources to enhance your experience. By following these steps, you're now equipped to check your Disney gift card balance with ease and confidence. This skill ensures you're always in the know about your available funds. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a magical day with your Disney adventures.